guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Scrapqueen and today I like to show you my brand new design theme project for Country Craft Creations. And this time I am using the papers Authentique and the collection calls Romance. And today I want to show you a project I did not use to do. So it's kind of a carousel kind of thing. And I saw many different versions on YouTube and I get my inspiration of that. Well, I never say that anything is my idea. I just go on YouTube and saw nice things, and this is my version of it. And it's completely homemade. I did not buy any kit for it. It is homemade, and I did made instructions for it, and I'm going to tell you in the tutorial videos where I get the stuff and how I did it all. So please follow my tutorials for let me tell you everything I did on this project. But normally I film from up but this is not a project to film from up above, otherwise you only see the top of the this spine, and so that is why I put up my camera in front of this project, so you can see it in front instead of filming on top. So that is for me a pretty different, and I'm really standing along the side. And I'm going to tell you just a little bit of it. So I used a wooden plate and a wooden stick and a wooden knob for it, and that's just it. And I used the Zutter bind it all system together with my Zutter for making these nice holes with it. So that is basically it, and that's just where I made my pages on. And so I really go a quick flip to. I hope I did not go into shadow, but let me show you. Well, this is a clear pocket, and you can pull them out if you like to put other photos in, whatever you're going to like. This I covered up with some leftover, and inside in each pocket, in each page with the Authentique label on top, there is a pocket which I made something in it, and I hope I can show you real quick. Here is just a little book note with some pockets in it, and I covered up the back with some leftovers. But let me put this back in just a second. So this is also a clear pocket page. Then we go to the next page. I made a clear pocket on the bottom. Here I made a pocket with 2 photo mats in it. In here I also made a pocket with a photo mat in it, so you can put nice photos on. Then we go to this page, also a pocket with 2 photo mats. Here I made a pocket with a nice tag in. This is a clear sheet flip where you also can put your photo in, but for now I made this tag in it. Then we go to the next page. This is also a clear pocket, also lots of stuff in it. This is the same as the other one. I made 4 white pages and 4 black pages, and so we have 4 different style pages, and each in black and white, because I cannot choose if I want to use white cardstock or black cardstock, so I use both, because these papers really go well with black and white. So let's go further. Here I used the die from Carrousel, and I will show you in a minute, because that's way over my desk, so I can't get in, but I will put a link below the description box. And I used a die and a clear pocket on top and a pocket on the back. And here is also a pocket, and let's see what's inside. I made a little booklet with 10 brown pages in it. Also very nice to put some recipes on or anything what you want to write on. This is also a clear pocket. Again, a tag from Crealise, and on the back I created a nice photo mat with 3 openings. This one is just an extra flip page with 3 little pages on the bottom. I made a little tuck spot for also using the Crealise dies for making nice little tags, and you can flip these little pages as it is a waterfall. And then here is another pocket, and here I created a photo mat with no design paper on, but to protect your photos I used a clear sheet on it. And then we have again a nice little pages, and on top I made this tuck spot with these 2 little tags in, and then it goes on and on. So yeah, this is the same one, also with a nice book note where you can put your memorables in, and this goes on and on and on. And another pocket also made with a book note with 10 papers in it. Love it. So yeah, oh, I think I have, oh no, I'm not at the end. Well, keep going and going, but there is just 1 pocket, and then I think that's the last of it, and that is also a photo mat with a clear protecting sheet on the top. Okay, so yeah, I think that is it. I used pretty much all the collection. I have a few papers left. I use some black cardstock, I use white cardstock, I use some clear sheets, just what I have in my stash. And you will see it doing all of the things in my tutorial. So please follow my tutorial if you want to make exactly like this. And I hope you liked it, so give me a thumbs up. And please leave me a comment if you like it or have a question, and I will answer it if I can, as soon as possible. So yeah, thank you Tammy for sending me this opportunity pages, and I just love it. So okay, have a nice Valentine, because this paper is just perfect for a nice Valentine gift. So okay, bye bye, thanks for watching.